Hello again. Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at adverbs and adjectives and using an adverb and an adjective together. For example, my coffee is very hot. Very is the adverb, hot is the adjective, so my coffee is very hot. So we use the adverb very to make the adjective hot stronger. My coffee is very hot. Other common adverbs are extremely. My coffee is extremely hot. We can also say my coffee is really hot. We can also make the adjective weaker by using words like fairly, quite, rather. My coffee is quite hot. My coffee is rather hot. My coffee is fairly hot. Those words make the adjective weaker. The weather today is quite nice. The sun is shining. It's not very hot. It's quite hot. We went to a restaurant last night. The food was fairly good. We went to a restaurant last week and the food was fantastic. It was extremely good. So, using an adverb to make an adjective stronger or weaker, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. See you next time. I think my coffee is now fairly hot and easy to drink. Bye for now.